another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today, man. Hold up. Y'all look good. I know y'all look good. Y'all look so good. I love y'all. Let's go. Let me tell you something right now. Right now, we working on the hatch. About to work on the hatch. Already went ahead, took the back seat out. We're about to change the fuel pump. Let me show you something. Come on. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. This is the reason why I do not regret buying this car. Take a look right there. Look how clean this hatch is. I haven't touched anything. I just took the back seat out. But look how clean it is. I don't see no rust. I don't see nothing around here. It is beautiful. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clean that out, vacuum it out, and then we're gonna take the old fuel pump out, put the new one in. I already showed y'all in previous videos. If you didn't see it, you can go back in those previous videos. Already show you I'm using the Chemso, and that's what we're gonna install today, guys. Let's go. Yep, so right now I just gave it a little vacuum. I might have to probably wipe it down or something, but for now I'm just gonna change this fuel pump, and that'll be it for today. That's all I gotta do now. I just can't wait to get this thing running, man. Ah! But it's car work, right? Put that work in. Let go. Yep, so finally got it done. Use those zip ties to hold it down. Use this filter. I switched the filter instead of this one, because if I use this one, it will be touching. These two will be touching on here. I didn't want that. So I use this one, and then that's the same stock plug. I used it. Look, let me get some light, people. Let me get some light. Back in business. Back in business. Yeah, so use the same stock plugs. I had to shorten the hose though. So then everything else, got it pretty much stock fitted. Like, that's awesome. I love this. We're gonna put it in right now. There we go. Yeah guys, so now we at the end of the video. It was short. I said that with all my videos. We gonna get longer content soon. As soon as this beautiful, I almost called her a bad name. I ain't gonna do it. I love you, baby. As soon as she starts running, we gonna get some good videos in. We gonna get some good videos in. So the only thing I need now is get some gas, get some oil, get some coolant, fill it up, so it's just fluids. That's all we need right now, because everything is installed except my gauges. The car can start without the gauges. The next video I'm gonna try to put out, she gonna be running. Like, I probably won't drive it, but she gonna start. We gonna start it. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. Press that like button. Help me get up there with these saws, man.
Help me. Help me. Now.
I love y'all. Thanks for watching. We out.